In this lesson, we are going to learn how to divide polynomial functions using synthetic division. Let's begin with our first example. Example 1, divide 2x to the third power plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 6 by x minus 3 using synthetic division. First, set the divisor x minus 3 equal to 0. That gives x equals 3, so place positive 3 outside. List the coefficients: 2, 5, negative 4, negative 6. Bring down the 2. Multiply 3 times 2 to get 6. Add to 5 to get 11. Multiply 3 times 11 to get 33. Add to negative 4 to get 29. Multiply 3 times 29 to get 87. Add to negative 6 to get 81. The remainder is 81, so the divisor is not a factor. So the quotient is 2x squared plus 11x plus 29 plus remainder 81 over x minus 3. Example 1 is complete. Example 2. Now divide 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus x plus 10 by x plus 2. Set x plus 2 equal to 0. That gives x equals negative 2. So place negative 2 outside. Coefficients are 3, negative 8, 1, 10. Bring down the 3. Multiply negative 2 times 3 to get negative 6. Add to negative 8 to get negative 14. Multiply negative 2 times negative 14 to get 28. Add to 1 to get 29. Multiply negative 2 times 29 to get negative 58. Add to 10 to get negative 48. Since the remainder is negative 48, this one does not divide evenly. The quotient is 3x squared minus 14x plus 29 plus remainder negative 48 over x plus 2. Example 2 complete. Example 3, divide 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 by x plus 3. Set x plus 3 equal to 0. That gives x equals negative 3, so place negative 3 outside. Coefficients 4, 12, 9. Bring down the 4. Multiply negative 3 times 4 to get negative 12. Add to 12 to get 0. Multiply negative 3 times 0 to get 0. Add to 9 to get 9. The remainder is 9, so this divisor is not a factor. The quotient is 4x plus remainder 9 over x plus 3. Example 3 is done. 6x cubed plus 2x minus 15 by x minus 4. Set x minus 4 equal to 0. That gives x equals 4, so place positive 4 outside. Coefficients include the missing x squared term, 6, 0, 2, negative 15. Bring down the 6. Multiply 4 times 6 to get 24. Add to 0 to get 24. Multiply 4 times 24 to get 96. Add to 2 to get 98. Multiply 4 times 98 to get 392. Add to negative 15 to get 377. Final expression, 6x squared plus 24x plus 98 plus remainder 377 over x minus 4. Divide x to the fourth minus x squared plus 2x minus 2 by x minus 1 using synthetic division. Set x minus 1 equal to 0. That gives x equals 1, so place 1 outside. Write the coefficients, including missing terms: 1, 0, negative 1, 2, negative 2. Bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Add to 0 to get 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Add to negative 1 to get 0. 1 times 0 is 0. Add to 2 to get 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Add to negative 2 to get 0. The remainder is 0, so the divisor is a factor. The quotient is x cubed plus x squared plus 2. In our next lesson, we're going to take things a step further with the rational root theorem. This theorem helps you find all the possible rational zeros of a polynomial before you start factoring or dividing. It saves time, prevents guessing, and makes solving higher degree equations much easier. So join me in the next video where we'll break down the rational root theorem and use it to find real solutions to polynomial functions.